Okay, right, got two TVs. As you can see, one there and one there. So I'll put you on my chest mount. There. Bring that out. Got there. That's all. I wish I like that much. Now to the plug. That plug is no good without there. Same thing on this one. Got there. Scrapyards, they don't care too much about that. They care if the plug is still on. Look, if you want a phone, you can take the phone. Not me, no. You probably, you most people can use that for like pen stuffing. For me, no, not too much. And that's it. 2 cables. See you in the next location. Okay, looks like a cable type of night. This is next location. Got a wire there, and looks like a wire over there. So, cut that off. Cut that off. Okay, there. There go shoes. Don't need them. Yeah. Nothing in the bin. Nothing in there. The plug cuts off. And the box. Control. Nothing in the box. Put this in my bag. I wish I find Hoovers every night. This is kind of first night back after 2 weeks of just hot weather. So yeah. That's empty. Yeah, if I found like Hoovers every night or that type of wire, I would love it. See you on the next location. Okay, there's he's here. Cut that off. there's like a tube and whatnot there. I'll have to take time and just clean that up. There's like 2 more cables. It all adds up. So yeah, there's another cable tonight. So one night I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cables. So yeah, see you on the next location. Okay, check here. Looks like aluminium. Broken chair. Piece. Aluminium. Plastic. And I think that's it. So 3 pieces of aluminium. That's good. So yeah. See you. Let's check it. See you on the next location. Okay. Another push scooter. Kids one. Let's get my magnet. Always carry a magnet. Scrappers 101. Magnet. Right. Okay. As you can see, that's still there. It's probably in their light mobile. Yep. Still all the way there. Okay, there's aluminium. Check the base. Okay, there's only, it's just a handle. Okay. Right. Might as well take the handlebars off with this part. Might as well take that off and take the aluminium. So. I always carry loads of bits like this because when I need to scrap something out. Yeah. Oh, this side, okay. There is, yeah, it's that one. So I can easily process stuff on the move, and I can put it into my bag and everything like that. Put it there, got my drill. Just an ambulance. There. I'll take the screws and I'll just put that with my steel. comes off. That comes off because it has aluminium, and that's steel. Put this next to the bin. The council come and take it, or another scrapper will see it, and then they'll take that. They take like loads of steel with them. Yeah. Put my bag back on. And yeah, so that's all of it. Just check one more time. Okay, that's aluminium, aluminium. Yep. So yeah, good chunk of aluminium. I'll go home, process. I'll do a video on me cleaning that down, just so you can actually see the process of how scraps down, make more clean. Because yeah, scrapyards they won't take it like that, or they will, but they'll class it as really dirty. So I'll clean up, make it clean aluminium. So yeah, see you on the next location. Okay, aluminium pot. Yes, all aluminium. Scrap this. Wipe it a bit. A bit dirty. Like to find aluminium. So see you on the next location. Okay, got a microwave here, making my torch. Yep, got another microwave. First microwave for a while. First things first. Just in case someone tells me to go, I can at least have some time. Sorry, someone came around the corner. I didn't want to record them. And it just respect. It seemed like they were drunk. take the screws because they just add up on me. That's hard. Scrap will come along and take that. Yeah, I'll just take the transformer, my control, and where the fan is. That's all I take. Yeah, I'll just grab my magnetron out later. Yeah, see you on my next video.